Welcome to GN.
Thank you.
Welcome to Gulf News. Yeah.
So we'll start with the reader's question. This is addressed to both of you. Imtiaz from Florida, US asks, media says Hrithik Roshan and you make the best on-screen chemistry and couple. In your opinion, which other couple in Bollywood and Hollywood has the best on-screen chemistry?
The chemistry actually is between two characters.
Absolutely.
In the film. It's not the actors actually. It's the two characters and how they've been written and how they've been portrayed.
Great. Do you have any favorite on-screen couple though?
I think all the movies that click and where you experience that kind of cinema,
Right.
you naturally claim that those actors have chemistry. But being actors ourselves, we know it's about the characters and it's about cinema. So we can't be speaking in the same vein as probably just the audience. We are the audience, but we're also actors who know how it works.
Jia Dinkar from Delhi. She says your recent movies like Ravan and Kites haven't done too well. Have you reached a point in your career where flops and hits don't affect you as much?
It's a very organic process, making a film. There's no set equation. So you're already geared up for successes and failures, and you have to somewhere have the right perspective where you understand that there are no failures. Actually, it's all a learning process.
For us as actors, it is the experience of the making of the film itself, which is what is probably the most valuable time during the making of a film. And of course, the release is the ultimate objective, but the experience of making the film is what's relevant.
Also, you need some chapters like these in your
Absolutely.
life. That's what makes the story more interesting.
And for Ash, you turned 37 recently, but you continue to work in A-list projects. What's your biggest strength according to you when actors like Rani, Preeti, Shilpa and Sushmita have almost given up on their careers? This is from Shakil Shemna.
I didn't try to play the girl in pigtails to start with, and I don't necessarily need to go by the chronology. As long as you can play a character convincingly, your director is convinced first to start with, and hopefully then it translates to your audience acceptance of the character. That's all you need to do as an actor.
And this is for Hrithik. Would you ever consider working in an indie film with a strong, unique script? Or is it just mainstream cinema and known production houses that attract you to a movie?
No, I purely go by instinct. If I something inside me resonates with the script, then in spite of any mental gymnastics that I might do, I just have to do it. My instincts guide me.
And this is for Aishwarya Rai. How does it feel when critics actually hail your beauty skills but slam your acting ones?
It goes with the turf. You take it all in your stride. Don't get carried away by the excessive appreciation, and definitely don't get bogged down by the critiquing, because that's part of the territory. And my biggest acid test is the fact that the directors that I've been working with throughout my career are the best in our business, and the fact that they come to me with roles, with characters which go beyond being just a pretty girl in the film, that's exceedingly encouraging and kind of strengthens my conviction in pursuing the craft and learning along the way and delivering my best.
And for Hrithik, you're Bollywood's first superhero. How do your kids look at you? This is Milan from Abu Dhabi.
They look at me as a normal dad. The only the one who feels weird actually is the father. That's me, because I sometimes watch them playing with my doll, and that's a little creepy.
Okay.
Right here?
No, we're going to go into another room.
Okay.